Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys some affordable luxury bags. And no, I do not mean the bags that I usually show. I actually bought some bags from this new company called LTL London. They are based in the UK, and they sell luxury looking bags like without the logos, but they look very luxurious, as I saw on their website, and very affordable but very nice quality leather. So I wanted to share some bags with you guys if y'all want that luxury feel but not trying to like replicate another brand. I wanted to try these bags out because I thought they were so pretty, and yeah, they also have tons of different styles, and I'm super excited to share them with you guys. So I have not opened it yet. I just unboxed, like I just cut the box open, but they are based in the UK, like I said, so you do have to pay a little bit for the shipping, but it's totally worth it. So I have not, like, I'm not sponsored by this company or anything. I just found them on Instagram, so I wanted to try them out, and I'm super excited. So I've been waiting a few days to do this video with you guys. So this is just gonna be a quick little video for you guys. If you're getting ready for work, you know, you can just watch this. So here is the bag that comes in at the top. This is just a shopping bag that you guys can display in your rooms. It's very luxurious. It's like a really good, like, hard quality, like paper bag. So this gives me like Chanel vibes, just the way the box looks and the logo. So it's very luxurious, very cute. And then here is the dust bag to the first one. I love it. And then they were actually having a deal where if you bought a bag over, I want to say $80, you get a certain bag for free. So I did get a pink bag for free because I was actually searching for nude colored bags, because I realized I have like so many pink bags that none of them really go with like fall. Like some of them do, but a lot of them don't, and I just wanted a really pretty like staple nude bag to go with everything. So who am I liking nude and not pink? I mean, I still love pink, but you know what I mean, like I wanted something specifically like for fall. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up, and this is what she looks like. Oh my god, this is the bag. This is so beautiful. Okay, so does this not give you like Chanel vibes? This bag is so pretty. So it's almost like similar to my sweater, but it's lighter, and I love like the quality of this bag. I don't know like what type of leather this is, but I'll have to do some more research. This is so pretty. So it does come with like the chain. Let me cut this off because it does have some stuff connected to it. Okay, let me fix it up. So, and I'm talking like kind of quietly because my husband is in the next room eating pizza without me and watching TV, and I'm like just wanted to share this with you guys so I can go eat because I'm hungry, but I didn't want to like ruin my makeup with all the pizza. So I'm like, I need to film this really quick and then like go eat pizza with Mark. So that's why I'm like, oh my god guys, look at this, doing a little ASMR moment. So here is how it looks. It's so pretty. Oh my god. Oh my lord. This is stunning. I died and went to heaven. I think I'm gonna go and buy 100 more bags from this brand. And I've always wanted to try a bag from them because I've been following them for a while now, but I've just never like bitten the bullet. But whenever they were having that deal where you get a bag for free, I was like, this is my time. It is my time to go and get some bags and try them out. So this is just absolutely gorgeous. I'm just gonna do a close-up one more time. And then here's the back, and there's also like a back pocket to put your phone or your keys. Oh my god, you guys. And it has feet. You guys know how I feel about bags having feet. Like I always think it's a plus whenever the bags have the feet so they can stand up on their own. I love that. And then the strap is adjustable, so you can make it short or you can make it longer. I would definitely make it longer just because I am super tall. So yeah, it does have that. So let's go ahead and open it up and see how it looks inside. So very pretty. There's some bubble wrap in here. Oh my goodness, this is so pretty. So it's just like one like big hole, of course. Like I'm telling you, it reminds me of the Chanel bags. It's just one big pocket and it's just like that soft cloth material. So very pretty, and it does have one pocket to put like your pads or your tampons, like stuff you don't want people to see when you open your bag. So that is how it looks. I'm obsessed with it, you guys. I highly recommend you guys go and get this bag. It's perfect for fall and it still looks luxurious without like the luxury logos. So I really like that about this bag. Like it still stands out without standing out, if you know what I mean. And it was very affordable, so I think this is like the most perfect bag for fall. I'm obsessed with it. It is just so pretty. And I know what you guys are thinking, where's the pink bags? I'm surprised you didn't buy a pink bag. Well, the bag that I got for free, I was debating if I should get like a black or a white bag, but I already own like 2 white bags, so I was like no, and I don't really like use black bags as much as I would think I would. So I got pink. Your girl got pink because best believe I'm gonna use this one tomorrow. So here is the free bag that came with it. Here it is. Oh my god, this one is so cute. It is so pretty. This is like such a beautiful shade of pink. It kind of matches my phone case that I found at Marshall's. It's a Guess phone case and it was only $10. So go to your Marshall's if you want a cute phone case. I'm gonna go ahead and unwrap this bag as well. I'm obsessed with it. So this one is a little bit smaller than the one I just showed you. So it's perfect like just to, you know, go out and run errands, or if you're gonna go on a date and you don't want to carry anything, like too many things with you, it's perfect as well. This one is super cute. Also reminds me of a Chanel bag. The material is pretty much like the quilting is pretty much the same as the nude one, but here's like the size difference. Obviously this one is a little bit bigger, so I would say this one is like medium to large and this one is definitely like a small. So that is the size comparison, and I just love this one so much. So here's the inside. The inside is really nice, and it does have a pocket. It has 2 pockets, so there's a pocket right here. You can put credit cards, and then there's a pocket right here that you could also like put your pads or your tampons or cash, things that you, or even receipts, like just things that you don't want like to fall out as you're opening your purse. So yeah, that is what she looks like on the inside. She's super cute, and yeah, that is how she looks. Super adorable. I'm obsessed with it. Okay guys, so that was it for this video. I know it was super short. Like I never post short videos, which I'm so surprised. Like I always post videos that are longer than 30 minutes. So this is gonna feel weird posting like a 10-minute video. But I just wanted to share these with you guys. Just like I wasn't gonna make a video about them. I was just gonna post them on my Instagram. But I just wanted to like give you guys like an in-depth review on them. And like I said, this video is not sponsored, but it low-key should be because I want more bags from them. But I really do like them. I think you guys should go check them out if you want some luxury looking bags. And if you just want something like simplistic but still luxury looking, I feel like these are perfect. So let me know what you guys think down below. If you think I should go and get more, I'm like tempted. So let me know what you guys think. I hope you enjoyed this little video, and I'm definitely trying to pump out more videos for you guys. I do have a vlog coming to you soon that is going to be pretty long, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, that was it for this video, so I will see you guys in the next one. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys later. Peace out, Girl Scout. Bye.